making Mrs. Chang a surprise lunch. Chip on a stick.
Hello, everybody. Mr. Chang, he's stupid. I know like red onion. I know eat his lunch today. Please subscribe and comment on this video. It's my birthday tomorrow and I just want peace from Mr. Chang's videos. All I want for my birthday.
Keep twisting until Potato's head comes off. He's about to get decapitated. I remember the time a customer came into the Chinese to order these potato twisters for her son, and she slipped on the floor. There was no wet floor sign. So she rang me up the next day and she says, "I got your potato twisters last night. They were absolutely gorgeous, beaut. And your staff, they were so kind and friendly. I never had a better experience in my life. But you didn't have a wet floor sign out and I slipped. So nevertheless, I'm going to sue you." Here we go. Here's the red onion, not.
What he even do now? I think he used the fairy up liquid on the potato instead of the dishes. Ugh, look at it. Now it look like potato is bad. Look, all green. Look moldy. Nobody want to eat green potato. Mr. Chang, he do anything for attention. I remember year ago when I live in China. If you buy potato chips and you find a green one in the bag, you think it was good luck. Now I older, I know was just a bad potato. So stupid.
Drizzle potato swirls with oil and put in the air fryer for 20 minutes at high temperature. These will taste better if they're deep fat fried. Mrs. Chang, dinner's ready.
You may give that to the dog. He hungry. Lovely jubbly.